So super interesting. I was just listening to some leading experts in the sleep world, and the conversation of insomnia is what we've been focusing on. And it turns out that all of the things that are recommended in cognitive behavioral therapy and in treating insomnia, working with it, what is more effective for it than any medication, and why pharmaceutical companies will not compare it to their drugs because it's better than that. All of it is included in my Stop Snoring Solution program. All the things that I have learned in holistic health and wellness that I have incorporated to improve sleep can actually address your TMJ issues and insomnia issues, not just snoring and sleep apnea. So I wanted to share that with you.